Hi everyone, this is Cook It Bro. Today I'm going to make egg muffin in Korean style. It is very easy to make, so I think it's good for snacks or even breakfast. It also tastes good. Let's start. Ingredients. For the paste, 100 gram of pancake mix, 50 gram of milk, 1 egg, and 10 gram of salt. We need 1 egg for each muffin. I brought 4 eggs, but my paste wasn't enough, so I used 3 eggs. For the garnish, 2 slices of bacon and 2 sliced cheese, and a little bit of dried parsley. First, add 1 egg, milk, salt into the bowl and mix well together. Cover muffin tin with butter using a silicone brush. It helps you to take a muffin out of the tin and also gives you a butter flavor. And then pour the paste around 30% of the muffin tin. Next, cut bacon and cheese into small cube size. Crack 1 egg each into the muffin tin. And then put a bacon and cheese on it. Then put into a 180 Celsius, which is 356 Fahrenheit, preheated oven for 20 minutes. When it's done, let it cool for a while and remove the tin. After sprinkle dried parsley, egg muffin is done. Wow, look at this. It is well baked in the oven. Outside is a little crunch, and inside it is very moist and soft. The baked egg with bacon and cheese on it. Perfect combination. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give me thumbs up. It really encourages me to make a better video. See you next time.